10 Steps to Make People Like You Instantly. Welcome to Dwanco Channel. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic, 10 Steps to Make People Like You Instantly. But before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Now, let's get into it and discover how you can make people like you instantly. In a world where connections and relationships play a pivotal role in our personal and professional lives, being likable can open many doors. While genuine connections take time, there are certain steps you can take to make a positive impression quickly. Here are 10 powerful steps to help you make people like you instantly. 1. Smile genuinely. A genuine smile is one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. It conveys warmth, friendliness, and approachability. When you smile, it not only makes you feel better but also has a contagious effect on others. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate positivity. 2. Show genuine interest. Take an active interest in others. Ask questions about their lives, listen attentively, and remember details about what they share. People appreciate when someone genuinely cares about what they have to say. It makes them feel valued and understood. 3. Use their name. Dale Carnegie, author of How to Win Friends and Influence People, emphasized the importance of remembering and using someone's name in conversation. It's a simple yet effective way to make someone feel important and recognized. 4. Be a good listener. Listening is an underrated skill. When someone is speaking to you, give them your full attention. Avoid interrupting or planning your response while they're talking. Nodding and giving verbal affirmations like, "I see," or, "That's interesting," can show that you are engaged. 5. Give sincere compliments. Everyone appreciates a good compliment. However, it's crucial that your compliments are sincere and specific. Instead of saying, "You're great," try something like, "I really admire how you handled that situation with such grace." Specific compliments feel more genuine and meaningful. 6. Mirror their behavior. Mirroring is a subtle way of building rapport. It involves subtly mimicking the other person's body language, gestures, and speech patterns. This can create a sense of familiarity and comfort, making the other person feel more connected to you. 7. Show empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. When someone shares their problems or feelings, respond with empathy. Phrases like, "I can see why you feel that way," or, "That sounds really tough," can show that you truly understand their perspective. 8. Be positive and upbeat. People are naturally attracted to those who exude positivity and enthusiasm. Maintaining a positive attitude, even in challenging situations, can make you more likable. Your energy can uplift others, making them want to be around you more. 9. Respect personal space and boundaries. Respecting personal space and boundaries is crucial. Being too forward or intrusive can make people uncomfortable. Pay attention to social cues and ensure that your actions and words are respectful and considerate of others' comfort levels. 10. Be yourself. Authenticity is key. People can usually tell when someone is being insincere or trying too hard to impress. Be confident in who you are and let your true self shine. Authenticity builds trust and lasting connections. Bonus tip: practice gratitude. Expressing gratitude can leave a lasting impression. Thank people for their time, advice, or help. A simple thank you can go a long way in making someone feel appreciated and valued. Conclusion: making people like you instantly is about being genuine, showing interest, and spreading positivity. By incorporating these 10 steps into your interactions, you can create meaningful connections and leave a positive impression on everyone you meet. Remember, the key to likability lies in being authentically you while showing kindness and respect to others. By sharing this on your channel, you're not only helping others improve their social skills but also fostering a community of genuine and likable individuals. These steps are simple yet powerful, and with consistent practice, they can transform how people perceive and interact with you. So, start today, and watch as your connections and relationships flourish.